Something about a truck and a farmer's field, a no trespass sign, and time to kill. Nobody's gonna get hurt, so what's the big deal? Something about a truck and a farmer's field, and something about beer sitting on ice after a long hard day makes it taste just right on that drop tailgate on a summer night. Something about beer sitting on ice, and there's something about a girl in a red sundress with a nice cold beer pressed against her lips. And that farmer's field will make a boy a man. Something about a girl in a red sundress, and there's something about a kiss that's gonna lead you more on that drop tailgate back behind the cone. The most natural thing you've ever felt before. Something about a kiss that's gonna lead you more. And there's something about a truck in the field and a girl in a red sundress with her ice cold beer to her lips, begging for another kiss. And there's something about you and me and the birds and the bees, and Lord have mercy, it's a beautiful thing. Ain't nothing about it, love. There's something about a truck, something about a creek around 2 a.m. After a few of those beers, you wanna dive on in. You don't need no clothes, so just hang 'em on the limb. There's something about a creek around 2 a.m. And there's something about a truck in the field and the girl in the red sundress with her ice cold beer to her lips, begging for another kiss. And there's something about you and me and the birds and the bees, and Lord have mercy, it's a beautiful thing. Ain't nothing about it, love. There's something about a truck.